Olo wants to eat more strawberries. Which jar has more? Let's count and see. This one has 1, 2 strawberries. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strawberries. So this one has more. Olo should eat from this jar.
Which jar has more? Keep it up. You tap the jar with more. Which jar has more? Woohoo! You tap the jar with more. Drag 2 strawberries to the green squares on top.
1.
You put 2 strawberries in the top squares. Drag 4 strawberries to the brown squares on bottom.
1, 2, 3.
You
4.
put 4 strawberries in the bottom squares. Which row has more strawberries? You tap the row with more strawberries. Drag 3 lemons to the top squares.
1, 2,
You
3.
drag 3 lemons. Drag 1 lemon to the bottom squares. You
1.
dragged 1 lemon. Which row has more lemons? Super duper! You tapped the row with more lemons. Which box has more toys? Great job! You found the box with more. Which box has more toys? You did it! You found the box with more. Comparing numbers is fun.
Oh, I love ice cream! Who is last in line to get an ice cream cone? The animal at the end of the line is last. Olo will get his ice cream cone last. I am last. But I still love ice cream.
Who is last in line? Tap them. You tapped Olo, who is last in line. Who is first in line? You tapped Rhea, who is first in line. Let's look at some pictures. Who is first in line? Yay! Sandy is first. Who is last in line? You did it! Rhea is last. Who is last? Great! Sandy is last. Those were neat pictures.
Olo has 2 red apples for snack. Then he gets 1 more. Now Olo has more apples. He has 3.
Tap and count the apples.
1, 2.
Super! There are 2 apples. Look! 1 more apple fell. How many are there now? Tap them.
1, 2, 3.
Great! There are 3 apples now. Let's count some more.
Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark.
Tap the 1 shark you see.
1,
Yay! You counted 1 shark.
Mama shark do 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 do. Mama shark do 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 do. Mama shark do 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 do. Mama shark.
Tap the 2 sharks you see.
1, 2,
Sweet! You counted 2 sharks. Which one is bigger? Way to go! You tapped the bigger one.
Papa Shark, do 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 do. Papa Shark, do 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 do. Papa Shark, do 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 do. Papa Shark.
How many sharks do you see?
1, 2, 3.
Now there are 3. Tap the smallest shark. That's right. You tapped the smallest one.
Bye bye sharks, do 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 do. Bye bye sharks, do 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 do. Bye bye sharks, do 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 do. Bye bye sharks. Bye bye sharks.
Tap and count the crab.
1, 2,
Good job! Drag 1 crab to the empty square. Good thinking! How many crabs are there now? Count them.
1, 2, 3.
There are 3 crabs now. How many dots are on the dice? Tap the number.
1,
Great! You counted 1 dot. How many dots are on the dice?
2,
Yay! You counted 2 dots. How many dots are on both dice all together?
3.
Cool beans! You counted 3 all together. Counting is so fun!
Oh boy, it's snack time, and Alo has 2 carrots. Oh no, now he has fewer carrots. Alo only has 1, but that's okay. I'll share my snack with you, Alo.
Tap and count the carrots.
1, 2,
Great counting! There are 2 carrots. Now how many carrots are there? Tap it.
1,
Super! There's 1 carrot left after 1 carrot was taken away. Now let's make a smoothie. Follow the recipe on the notebook to make a smoothie. Press the green button when you are done. Put 1 piece of carrot into the blender. Drag ingredients from the shelf into the blender. Good work! Make a smoothie by following the recipe. When you finish, press the green button. Remove 2 pieces of beet from the blender. Make sure you have the right amount of ingredients. Great! Follow the recipe on the notebook to make a smoothie. Press the green button when you are done. Remove 1 piece of cherry from the blender. You blended a smoothie. Let's look at some pictures. How many friends are there? Tap the number.
3,
Cool! There are 3 friends. 1 friend left. How many friends are there now?
2.
Awesome! After 1 friend left, there are 2 left. Subtracting is fun.
Olo wants to hold 3 balloons. He can hold 3 red balloons. 1, 2, 3. Or he can hold 2 red balloons and 1 blue balloon. Olo has 3 balloons. Or he can hold 1 red balloon and 2 blue balloons. Olo has 3 balloons.
Move the balloons around in Olo's hands. There are 5 carrots. Give 1 to Sandy. You gave 1 carrot to Sandy. Drag 4 carrots to Peck.
1, 2, 3.
You
4.
gave 4 carrots to Peck. Drag the carrots back to the squares.
1, 2, 3, 4.
There are
5.
5 carrots, which is the same number as the beginning. Let's sing a song.
Do you like carrots? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like cereal? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you like carrot cereal?
Do you want to eat carrot cereal? What is carrot cereal made of? Tap them. Great job!